Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the latest update from TradingView's PineScript v5, which has introduced a powerful new feature that makes building crypto arbitrage bots easier than ever. If you've ever wanted to automate your trading and take advantage of price discrepancies across different exchanges, this is the video for you. Let's start by highlighting the specific functionality that sets PineScript v5 apart. The new version includes enhanced array and matrix handling capabilities, which are crucial for tracking price data across multiple exchanges simultaneously. This means you can now write scripts that efficiently compare prices and execute trades based on real-time data, all within the PineScript environment. This update is a game-changer for traders looking to automate their strategies without needing extensive programming knowledge. Now, let's walk through a step-by-step tutorial on creating a basic crypto arbitrage bot using this new feature. First, you'll want to set up your TradingView account and access the PineScript editor. Start by defining the exchanges you want to monitor and the specific cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Next, use the new array functions to store and compare price data from these exchanges. You'll write a script that identifies when a price discrepancy exceeds a certain threshold, triggering a buy on the lower-priced exchange and a sell on the higher-priced one. Make sure to test your script thoroughly in the PineScript editor to ensure it performs as expected. Once your bot is ready, it's time to test it on a demo account. This step is crucial to understand how your bot behaves in a real-world scenario without risking actual funds. Monitor its performance closely, paying attention to the speed and accuracy of its trades. During our testing, we found that the bot was able to execute trades within milliseconds, capitalizing on even the smallest price differences. However, it's important to note that market conditions can change rapidly, so continuous monitoring and adjustments are necessary. Finally, let's discuss potential improvements and limitations. While PineScript v5 makes it easier to build arbitrage bots, there are still challenges to consider. For instance, latency between exchanges can affect the bot's performance, and transaction fees might eat into your profits. To improve your bot, consider integrating additional technical indicators like the MACD or RSI to refine your trading signals. Additionally, explore using more sophisticated algorithms to predict price movements and optimize your entry and exit points. Remember, while the new PineScript v5 features provide a solid foundation, successful trading requires ongoing analysis and adaptation. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to building a crypto arbitrage bot using TradingView's PineScript v5. I hope this video has inspired you to explore automated trading and take your strategies to the next level. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more trading tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!